Hello everyone, I'm Jennifer. Welcome back to the Junior Block series. Our game should have some sounds too, right? Just like Fruit Ninja. So today we are going to have some fun with sounds. In the last video, we learned to control Tobi using the arrow keys and made bananas fall down again and again after Tobi catches them. Now let's have a look at our DIY activity from the last video. DIY activity was to make bananas fall from a random position every time it touches Tobi. Let's see how it's done. Go to the motion category block. Check this go to random position block just after the location block. Place it in the coding area. You will see it has 5 options. The first option is to make bananas appear in any position on the stage. The other 4 are to make bananas appear randomly but on 4 edges or sides as shown. We want bananas to fall randomly from top of the stage, this area, so select this option which has the top edge in it. As we want bananas to appear when Tobi catches it or touches it, so place it just after this Tobi touching block in place of the location block. Now click on play. Today we will add sound to our game using the sound category block. The sound category block can be used to make our game sound as fun as it looks. You can add various sounds and music like piano, funny noises, or even record your own voice. Let's try some sound blocks. Select Banana Sprite. We will find out how to make a sound play. Select Sound Category Blocks. Look here as I drag the Play Sound block in the coding area. When I click on this block, we'll hear the chomp sound. But what if we want to add a different sound? We can select this Add Sound button in the Sound category blocks. It opens the sound library from which you can choose any sound you like. Let's select Pop Sound. It takes you back to our main screen. Click on the drop down to see the pop sound appear in the play sound block. Click to play the pop sound. You can also add a musical note. How? Using the play note block. But first, drag the set instrument block. Can you see the piano instrument in the drop down menu? Select that. Now, drag the play note block and place it beside the set instrument block. When you click on the box in the play note block, it opens a piano keyboard where you can select any musical note of your choice. Now we want to make banana to make the pop sound to start the game. So I will drag the play sound block with the pop sound selected and place it at the start of this banana code just after the location block. Now play the code. You can hear the pop sound when the game starts. We also want the bananas to make the sound when Tobi touches them. So as we placed the go to random position block for the bananas to reappear, we will also add a sound block just after that. I'll drag these 2 blocks, the set instrument and the play note block, and place it here. Now watch and listen. Every time they touch, we hear a note. Now move Tobi around to see and hear what happens. As you learned in the previous video, you can move Tobi using arrow keys, and when it catches bananas, it plays a piano sound. Now it's your turn. Try to add different sound when the bananas touch Tobi. Maybe a bell or a chomp sound. You can use any sound from the sound library and see how it changes our game. That's it for today. Don't forget to share your sound ideas with your friends. See you next time. Bye bye.